Good morning. Nature greetings from the bird sanctuary. Birds are out and about today, gathering goodies. Got a winter weather coming. I hear the sparrows over here and the crows. Sunrise hour. Sun's rising up in the sky. See a lot of crows this time of the year. The seagulls soar over. There's some birds over there. Some blue jays. A red cardinal from time to time. Got some crackle birds up here. Crows are gathering over by our house. The seagull flew over there on Thanksgiving morning, I remember. Nice and peaceful morning. There's been some woodpeckers coming around. They live in that tree over there. There's a hollow area of that tree. They used to have a branch on the left side there that fell. It broke off a few years back. And I noticed these woodpeckers starting to come around. And I always see them going over to that tree area right there. And they'll come over here to this tree. They'll gather goodies and then they fly back over there. It's pretty cool. There's some baby woodpeckers too. There's some more birds around. There's a blue jay right here. There he is. There he is right there. He just flew over there. There's another one. The blue jays, they really are a winter bird. They come around here often during winter time. They soar all around. Some of the little birds out here, they make this sound that sounds like they're saying, thank you, thank you. It's like a little tweet, thank you, thank you. It's really cool. Every time I put goodies out here and I hear that, it sounds like the birds are saying, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy to bring you all out on my nature walk this morning. So happy everybody's enjoying my nature videos. I see up there, there's a hole in that tree right there. I think the birds might have built a nest in there. And we got a bird hotel over here. This is a bird house my dad built about 7 or 8 years ago. It has 4 compartments there. There's 4 levels. It's like a bird hotel. And we see some birds making some nests in there sometimes. It's pretty cool. You know, they got their little hotel there. And we love our nature friends. And a big part of our days in life. It's awesome to see them soaring all around. This is the most active time of the day, in the morning. But also, it gets active during the midday sometimes too. This is my favorite area right here when it's not the gardening season, because you see all these birds and love that glow of the tree there. It's the golden beams of sunshine from sunrise making the tree glow. A lot of happy birds out today. Some bird feeders We have some different varieties of pine trees in our yard. We have some over here and some from over there. That big pine tree right there, that's from Maine. My mom and dad and my older brothers and sister in the 70s brought that tree back from Maine and planted it over there. And it's grown huge. Get some big pine cones from that tree. It's awesome. And there's a smaller pine tree in there. I'm loving this nature. It's awesome. I call this the bird sanctuary in our yard because we have all our feeders over here, bird houses for our nature friends, and nice trees where the birds love to go and the squirrels. It's an awesome place. Love it. Oh, there's a little thank you bird. Says, thank you. There he is. Thank you. You're welcome. Hope you have a wonderful day there, Mr. Bird. They're all around happy. And there's a blue jay over there. They're flying around here today. I'm seeing the blue jays. Hey, little bird. I look forward to making many more nature videos. This is awesome. I love it. It's winter time, birds out, squirrels everywhere around here. It's usually this time of year too. It's a great time to enjoy some nature. I want to wish everybody a great day and hope everybody's keeping warm and safe from the wintry weather. Thanks for all your wonderful comments and looking forward to many more nature adventures.